Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are y'all? Next week, week 6 of university, year 3. And next week is going to be a hectic week. I have two tests on Monday and Tuesday, and then I have two assignments due on Tuesday as well. So it's crunch time. So come lock in with me. So I got a package from my aunt today. So let's unbox it together. So this first thing. Oh, it's a rug. How did she know that I wanted a rug? No, it is. No, it's so cute. Second box. So in this big box is a smaller box. So let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. And it smells so good, and I haven't even unboxed it. Wow, beautiful. And then she got me this duvet cover as well. Oh, I'm so blessed. Hi. Hi,
Hello.
welcome to our mukbang.
Yo.
What are we having today for supper?
KFC girl. We're having what should we call it? What's the thing called now?
Oh, Starbucks.
Yeah, an all-star box. A zinger all-star box to be specific.
I had no idea it was going to be this gigantic.
Okay. Yes, the matters. Yes, the matters.
The star of the show, Zinger Wings. Give us a fun fact about yourself, Jordan.
I like food. Okay.
Something that we don't know.
Okay. Okay. Like, hey, Ooh. Girl, I can like bend my fingers, like I don't know. I can bend my arm in like a weird way. No, I can like my jaw. I can like yeah, remove it from its place. What's the word, man?
Dislocate.
Yes, dislocate it. But I don't want to do that anymore because I'm scared it's gonna the whole
My
thing.
auntie se kakenbeen het daar één keer uitgeraakt. It was a sight to see.
The thing is, because ik is bang. So like, imagine ik zo like, dan wil ik zo like, disability. I would cry.
So je het hospitaal toe gaan zodat hij kan terug wordt.
Kom ik bij de hospitaal, zo ja. Jouw zaak is bij je nek. Als je opereren. Imagine. Je hebt me nog play. 5
Ik zeg al van mij, wat noem hulle een dokter wat weet met bones?
Give me a moment. Ik moet ook kijken van. Is it not an anthropologist?
An anthropologist is iemand wat met mensen weet. It's the study, anthropology is the study of human beings.
Is it not a study of human bones? Like bones? Human remains?
Humans.
I don't know, what is it? You tell me.
Orthopedic.
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 Crazy, bro.
Don't judge me. I only know things based on anime. Okay? Medical wise, here and there I'm worth it. But not a lot.
You know, a kanker doctor.
That I don't know.
Oncologist.
Okay.
You know, a heart doctor. As a Greek word.
Cardia.
Yeah. Maar wat is die?
Cardio. Cardio. What?
Cardiopleuritic. Let's go. Cheers.
Cool. I don't know.
Before,
What's the spice though?
back in the day was it spicier. But it was very good. I don't think it's good.
Could have been better. But it's good. Wait, never mind. Never mind. Never mind.
Rate your spice tolerance on a scale from 1 to
No.
10.
4. You know, my spice tolerance is not that high. If we think back from that one challenge we did, the spicy noodle challenge.
Mine
Go.
was big.
That was too beautiful.
So we are gonna taste the Zinger burger. You've had it before, right? I don't think I had it before, so this is a first for me. So let's see if it's actually strong.
Oh, the 3 sauces.
Are you good?
The heat is making me makar. I'm not taking off my. I'm not taking off
As
my
jy klaar velletjie kaas sien. Hy's velletjie kaas.
Yeah. Are we my feeling guys?
Kos ter kom maar oor die algemeen sit hulle velletjie kaas op burgers, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get it.
It's not extraordinary.
Doesn't taste the same anymore. I don't know why. Kind of disappointed and angry. Anyway, I'm thankful.
Okay. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
But you not after this, what are you gonna do after eating?
Study.
She's Okay, yeah, we are going to study after this, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.
Alright. I'm struggling.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba